What's the meaning of civilian? Civilian. Civilian.
Civilian. Civilian. Civilian refers to a person who is not a member of the military or armed forces. The term is often used to distinguish between military personnel and non-military individuals in society. Civilian individuals generally do not receive military training and are not subject to military law or regulations. Instead, they typically engage in civilian pursuits such as education, work, and leisure activities. In times of war or conflict, civilians may be affected by military operations as collateral damage or by being displaced from their homes.